Hey folks, it is Thursday, February 10th, and here is what we are going to do today. So the first task is to share your doodles with your peers. All right. And again, here are your teams, so everyone's doodles should be in there. And then in the next step, what you're going to do is take 10 minutes or so to evaluate your teammates' doodles. And then I want you to identify the doodle that you feel is like, wow, this one is, in terms of its comprehensiveness and in terms of its design, this is the doodle that I think really best encapsulates what we were trying to capture. And then nominate that. So just have a conversation in your channel. So take a vote and determine which doodle your group wants to forward as like the doodle that you want to share out with the rest of your class. All right. Now that doodle may still need some modifications. So you can nominate a doodle and say, I really like this one, but this point from Pete's, doodle, I think also needs to potentially be incorporated in there so that it's more representative. So you also want to offer constructive feedback even to the doodle you're nominating. Okay. So there's that. And obviously make notes of the things that you feel like after you nominate that doodle, make note of the things that will need tweaked so that it's really encapsulating everything that you want that doodle to say. All right. And then you're going to prepare for discussion. Your role is different based upon whether you are the nominated doodler or whether you are just the rest of the group, right? So if you're the nominated doodler, you are going to revise that doodle to account for your peers' things. So that usually that just means like add things to it. And then if you are not the nominated doodler, what you are going to do is with the rest of your peers in the channel, I want you to workshop a 4 to 5 sentence post where you are basically like, hey, this is what we want you to get out from this doodle, like about the most salient points from our assigned chapter. These are the things you need to know. So you're going to write that. All right. And then once both the doodler and the rest of the group are done, you are going to elect a group leader to copy and paste whatever your 4 to 5 sentence explanation is, and then also to paste that to the Unit 1 Doodle channel, and along with that upload the revised nominated doodle. Okay, so just one person is doing that per group. All right. And then we proceed to the very last step, which is to take part in a discussion over on the Unit 1 Doodle channel, right? I personally think it's not a shabby idea to download both doodles because I think that they're going to be sort of like guiding stars in terms of how we're presenting our writing, all right? So for homework, you are going to employ the 1+2 active reading model to read Ewald's technical definitions and descriptions. And once you have done that, head over to the Unit 2 channel on Slack and post a 3 to 4 sentence reflection on your key takeaways. All right. You don't need to respond to your peers because we will go ahead and do that on Tuesday. All right. Take care.